Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna discuss a little bit more about stocks. I'm gonna explain it in a simplified way so that you can understand it crystal clearly. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. My channel is all about how to make money online and how to be financially free and all of this good stuff. So if that's your goal, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This is to support the channel and help the YouTube algorithm. And if you like the video as well, make sure to hit the like. And if you have any questions, make sure to write them in the comment section below, and I will be glad to help you out answering them. So let's just go and see what is actually a stock. If you go and type stock in Google, you can see the amount of result that we have is huge. This indicates that this is something that is trading all over the world. Everyone is talking about it. So we're gonna see what is a stock means actually. So just a simple one for those guys who doesn't know. It's just a general term used to describe the ownership of any company. It is referred to a stock. On the other hand, a share actually refers to the stock certificate of a particular company. Holding a particular company share makes you a shareholder. So what does it mean? This means that a stock actually means that a company, such as like Apple, for example, in order for them to produce new products to the market, they need money, definitely. So they need money to buy the equipment, the merchandise, I don't know, all the stuff they use to make their phones. They need money to buy it. So that's what they do. They sell a piece of this company to whether individuals like me or you or big companies, in order for them to raise this money and use it to make their products. So that makes you a owner of these kind of companies. When you buy a stock, let's say for example an Apple stock, you own a piece of this company. Even if you buy one stock of Apple, which now is almost $125. If you pay $125 and buy a stock, Apple stock, that makes you an owner of this company. You are one of the owners of this company. So they use the money you paid for this stock to produce their products. So that's what a stock means. That's basically what a stock means. So why you should buy these stocks? Because simply stocks on the long term, they grow in value. So as we see here in Apple, I'm just putting Apple as an example. If you go back, I'm just trying to do a line graph here, and I'm gonna make it like a long term graph. And you can see guys, this is like just like since the beginning, since the 90s, this company is like, it was with us for a long time. But recently you can see Apple is a big and huge company, and this was not the case in the 90s. So that's why you can see it's not a big company. It was actually worth $1 a share and even less than that. So after 2006, the company starts to go up in value. Look at the stock is moving up in a very good direction. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. If you bought a stock, let's say Apple in 2014, it was worth $19 only. If you hold it until now, which is almost 7 or 8 years, it's gonna be $125 worth. But of course, you're not gonna buy only one at that time. You're gonna buy a lot because you want to invest your money into the stock market in order to make more money. So you need to invest more money to make more money, and that is the case. Then it's gonna be a good investment plans for you. This is only Apple. There's a lot of companies such as Tesla, Amazon, and each company has different price for their stock. For example, Apple is 125. If you go to another company, let's say Amazon Incorporation, you can say that the stock is really expensive, is 3,200 for now. And the same thing, same principle. It was not even worth that much in the back days, like $23 in 2014. It was 300, and you can see now the price is crazy. This is the thing about stocks. You need to invest your money in order to make money, but it is not gonna be easy. Like, you have to do your research and check if this company is gonna be a good company in the future. For example, in 2008, you need to see like a future vision of this company, where it is going. So imagine in 2007, no one is talking about Amazon. Amazon at that time was like a small company selling books or whatever. So nobody actually thought that Amazon is going to be a big one. Only like few people who believes in this company, and they are the ones who really invest and hold their stocks until now. You can see now they are like maybe they are millionaires or billionaires. It depends how many money they put into this company. But this is the thing that you need to think about before putting your money into a company. You need to think ahead. You need to see if this company is going to grow in the future. Nowadays, there is a lot of sectors. We are expecting a lot of companies, especially tech companies, that they are going to grow, especially in the technology sectors or the EVs, electrical vehicles. So this is the thing that is probably going to be a good investment for the future. So Tesla is definitely going to be one of them. So if you are talking about electrical vehicles, Tesla is one of the leading companies that's gonna grow in the future. So that's why you can see that it is really growing perfectly. See, it's just lately popped like this. Since the pandemic, it is growing like crazy, you know. This is the pandemic, as I believe. Yes, this is February 2020. And look at this move. Like, wow. Imagine if you bought this one last year in March or Feb, you would gain a lot of money. And that's why a lot of people, they're trying to enter now in Tesla. And it's actually a very good opportunity to invest in Tesla. The stock is the price of this stock is quite high, it's 600 now, but you can check. Let me see. It reaches the candles. It reaches $900 in 25th of January. So this was the top of this stock, and now it's like correcting itself. It's down to the 600. So imagine if it just went back to its top, you're gonna get $300 profit if you have one stock. And of course, you can buy fractional stocks as well. Fractional stocks is when you pay a small amount to have a piece of one stock. For example, this $600 is a value of one stock. But let's say, for example, you have only $300. This thing makes you buy a half stock. And this is called like fractional piece of a stock, which is 50% of one stock you're gonna buy. And it goes on like that. You can buy only 25% of one stock, and it goes like that. You can buy as much as you want, and you don't have to pay 600 to gain to own one stock. You can also pay less if you want, but you can still be in this movement. But of course, the gains that you're gonna gain is not gonna be higher, definitely, because you're not putting a lot of money. You're not having enough cash to have the whole stock, so you're not gonna get the profit of the whole stock while you're investing less. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna end this video now. I just want to mention what is a stock and how you can actually buy it and own it. And next videos, I'm gonna show you about a broker that I am using. A broker is basically the company that helps you to buy or sell stocks online. So it's gonna be easier for you to trade live in the market. So in the previous days, like when we didn't have internet, we used to trade stocks manually. So we go to the exchange market, such as like Wall Street or something. You need to go to these stock exchanges, and you need to spend a lot of time there just to fill the forms and all of this stuff in order to hold like one stock or whatever. It takes a lot of time. But we are in a new modern world. We have internet. We use everything online, and it is really simple. You just can buy every stock that you want with only one click. You just need internet, and you need something called a broker. A broker is the company that provides these stocks for you in order for you to buy them, and it guides you if you need help as well, selecting which stock you want to buy. There's a lot of brokerages in the internet right now, but you have to do your research and check which one is the best one for you. So I'm gonna give you a review about a broker that I'm using on the next video, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, make sure to write it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. This is to support the channel and motivate me to make more videos like this. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.